This is me, Pawan Jain. Today I will explain you same chapter linear equations in two variables. So new topic in this chapter is condition for unique solution, low solution or infinite many solution. So suppose there are two equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Okay, suppose there are two simultaneous linear equations. Now condition for unique solution, condition for unique solution. Or consistent solution. This is a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. अगर ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाइड हो रही है तो हम कहेंगे कि सॉल्यूशन इज यूनिक or it is consistent solution. Okay, now condition for no solution or inconsistent solution. So condition for this is a1 upon a2 is equal to v1 upon v2 but not equal to c1 upon c2. This is the condition for no solution. Okay, हमने ग्राफ में भी देखा था नो सॉल्यूशन का ग्राफ कैसा आता था, पैरेलल लाइंस आती थी और यूनिक सॉल्यूशन में इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइंस आती थी. थर्ड वन इज कंडीशन फॉर इनफाइनाइट मेनी सॉल्यूशन. और coincident lines. इसके लिए कंडीशन a1 अपॉन a2 इज इक्वल टू b1 अपॉन b2 इज इक्वल टू c1 अपॉन c2. ये कंडीशन अगर सेटिस्फाई हो रही है तो हम कह सकते हैं कि दिस इज इनफाइनाइट मैनी सॉल्यूशंस. ओके, सो आई एम टेकिंग सम प्रॉब्लम्स बेस्ड ऑन this topic. Okay, first question is check the following pair of equations has unique solution, no solution or infinite many solutions. Okay, so equations are x minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0. Second equation is 3x plus 9y minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so compare with standard equations. A1 is coefficient of x, so there is nothing, that there is 1, so A1 is equal to 1. B1 is coefficient of y minus 3 and C1 is constant minus 3. टेक केयर ऑफ साइंस, विथ प्रॉपर साइन लेना है आपको. ओके, नाउ a2 b2 c2 फ्रॉम सेकंड इक्वेशन. सो a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to 9 and c2 is equal to minus 2. Now find a1 upon a2. This is equal to 1 upon 1 upon a1 upon a2. a2 is 3. b1 upon b2 is minus 3 upon 9. So this is equal to minus 1 upon 3. After cancelling 3 1 जा 3 3 जा रहे. And third one, C1 upon C2 is equal to minus 3 upon minus 2. Okay. So from equation first and second we get from 1 and 2 we get these are not equal, hence a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, so it is unique solution. Okay, so we can check algebraically or graphically both system of equations are consistent or inconsistent. Okay, so this is unique solution. Okay, next problem. Next problem is to find the value of k for which following equations has infinite number of solutions. Okay, so equations are k minus 1 into x plus 2y is equal to 7, k plus 1 into x plus 6y is equal to 5k plus 1. ओके, तो ट्रांसफर कर लिए इधर -7 इज इक्वल टू 0 एंड दिस इज माइनस दिस इज इक्वल टू 0. सो कंपेयर दी इक्वेशंस विद स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन. सो फ्रॉम फर्स्ट इक्वेशन वी गेट a1 b1 c1. सो a1 इज कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x, दिस इज k minus 1, and b1 is coefficient of y, so that is 2, and c1 is constant -7, and a2 b2 c2 from second equations. a2 is equal to k plus 1 coefficient of x, b2 is equal to coefficient of y 6, and c2 is equal to minus 5k plus 1. Okay, now given that solution is infinite many solution, so for infinite many solution, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. ये हम जानते हैं कि condition for infinite solution is this. So a1 is k minus 1 and b1 a1 upon a2 is k plus 1, b1 is 2, b2 is equal to 6, and -7 upon -5 k plus 1. So minus minus cancel out. ये तीनों इक्वल है, किन्हीं दो इक्वेशन को ले लेंगे हम तो k की वैल्यू हमको मिल जाएगी. ओके, सो टेक फर्स्ट टू इक्वेशंस एंड क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाइज. 6k minus 6 is equal to 2k plus 2. So 6k minus 2k is equal to 2 plus 6. 4k is equal to 8. So k is equal to 8 upon 4 and k is equal to 4 2 is 8. तो इस तरह से हम वैल्यू फाइंड कर सकते हैं. अगर हमको कोई कंडीशन गिवन है तो इनमें वैल्यू की हम वैल्यू फाइंड कर सकते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ k for which following equation has no solution. Equations are x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0 and k minus 1 into x plus k plus 1 into y minus k plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so compare these equations with the standard equation. So a1 is 1, b1 is 2 and c1 is equal to -3. a2 is equal to k minus 1, b2 is equal to k plus 1 and c2 is equal to minus k plus 2. Okay, now for no solution, condition for no solution is a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. Okay, now put the values. a1 is 1, a2 is k minus 1, b1 is 2, b2 is k plus 1 is equal to c not equal to c1 is -3 and c2 is minus k plus 2. माइनस माइनस कैंसिल कर लीजिए. ओके, So from first two equations, 1 upon k minus 1 is equal to 2 upon k plus 2, sorry, k plus 1. Now cross multiply, 2k minus 2 is equal to k plus 1, 2k minus k is equal to 2 plus 1. So k is equal to 3. ओके, अभी और भी कंडीशन आएगी k के लिए, k की और वैल्यूज आएगी. अब हम इसको और उसको इक्वल करेंगे. So from first and third, also this implies that 1 upon k minus 1 is equal to 3 upon k plus 2. Okay, cross multiply, 3k minus 3 is equal to k plus 2, 3k minus k is equal to 3 plus 2, not equal to चल रहा है. Okay, so 2k is not equal to 5 and k is not equal to 5 upon 2. एक k की वैल्यू ये भी आएगी कि 5 upon 2k नहीं होना चाहिए. One more equation from this and this. So this implies that also 2 upon k plus 1 is not equal to 3 upon k plus 2. So cross multiply, 3k plus 3 is not equal to 2k plus 4. 3k minus 2k is not equal to 4 minus 3. So k is not equal to 1. Yes, these are the values of k. ये values k की नहीं होनी चाहिए और ये value k की होनी चाहिए. So these are the concern condition for unique solution, low solution and infinite solutions. Okay, next video I will take next topic in the same chapter. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.